welcome to another episode. So today we're going to do part 2 to a video that I did. I actually did this tumbler for my daughter, Sky. She's 7 and it's on stainless steel and we sublimated it. It came out gorgeous. But I actually wanted to see how this exact same design came out on white. So I printed it, I pre-printed the design, but I added Sky's picture in it. So it's really cute. So let's get started. A couple steps that I missed. I didn't really miss them, but I didn't do them in the video. So I'm gonna do them in this video just so you guys know the complete way to sublimate a tumbler. But nevertheless, I'm gonna go ahead and cut this out first. Of course, y'all know that usually I use scissors. You can use scissors if you want. I've been playing with my X-Acto knife a lot lately. I got this ruler and cut mat on Amazon. And of course, I'll post a link for that. But I absolutely love it because everything's just so straight. But you can definitely use scissors. You do not need an X-Acto knife. And to be honest, you should cut everything out and cut it pretty close. But, you know, how straight it is really doesn't matter. Here's our tumbler. Here's our design. First thing you want to do. The next thing you want to do is get your alcohol swab. Clean your bottle to make sure you don't have any imperfections. On my last video, I did this before I even started the video. So you guys actually didn't see me do it, but I did do this. The next thing, a towel and dry off. These towels, like I always say, I am an aspiring motorcycle mechanic. I get these from AutoZone or from Amazon. I will post a link from these, but they are so super absorbent and they don't leave like fuzz and stuff all over your product. So I use that to wipe it off. So in order to get the right size of the design, I took our ruler and I measured around the circumference of the bottle. And that measures exactly 9 inches. So, which means, ladies and gents, that this tumbler is 0.2 inches wider than this one. When I measured this was 9.2, and this one is 9 inches. That is just telling me that even though they look identical in shape, size, and ounces, they're not. And so it's imperative that you guys measure every time to make sure that your design fits perfectly. I know this sounds crazy, but do it. The measure to be certain. Okay. The next thing that I do is I'll measure up and down. So this one is about 5 inches, 5.2 inches. That's our 0.2 because this one was 9.2 by 5. This one is 9 by 5.2. See, that's the difference. The next thing we'll do is we'll wrap our design around our tumbler. And we'll just take the design that was printed on our HLV Plus Sub paper, y'all. We're using our paper and our ink, our HLV Plus Sub ink. Well, we'll just wrap this design around. And they have TikTok right here, so I'll make sure that the TikTok goes down first. You know what, y'all? I'm gonna cut a little bit more off of this edge. You see where that says TikTok? I'm gonna get a little bit closer to that T. And that's only because I want to make sure that I get as much of the design on there as possible. All right, got it cut. Now we're gonna wrap. And I'm gonna make sure I put the TikTok down first because I want to make sure I get all of that. And then these little symbols really don't matter that much to me, so I'll overlap them just a bit. And the way that I'll tape this, and this is just redundant from the first video that I did for the stainless steel. The way that I'll tape this is I'll put my tape on one end, paper that's on top, and I'll pull and tape. And I will tape this on this whole seam. I'll tape this entire seam. And like I said, I'll put it on that top piece and I'll pull and tape. And I like to wrap my entire tumbler. Everybody doesn't like to tape and wrap their entire tumbler, but I do. I'll tape this thing all the way around and pull. And I do that in 3 rows. But some people, like one of my sisters, I think she, oh, don't do that. One of my sisters, I think that she tapes up her entire water bottle. I'm not doing that. We're gonna do 3 strips of tape and call it a day. But make sure that you pull tight, y'all. Everything is pulling tight because you want to make sure that that ink is touching the bottle so that the ink can absorb into the bottle. So we're going to take this top off. Y'all, don't forget to take the top off of your sublimation bottle. This is plastic. It cannot be heated up. I've done that before and it was epic fail. So don't be like me, y'all, and accidentally leave a part of the plastic on your tumbler and put it in the oven. Don't do that. This what I'm doing right now is putting our silicone bands on the top and the bottom of our tumbler, and I do that so that it holds down the sides, mainly when we have full bleed designs, but it's force of habit. I just do it all the time. And I'll just put those bands right there. We sell those in store also at houseofvinylcrafts.com. Like all of these materials that I'm using, you can buy them at www.houseofvinylcrafts.com. But I got this taped up pretty well, y'all. I got the top off. It looks good. Let's put it in the oven. We have our Oster convection oven here. It's preheating, but you're gonna set your temperature to 400 and your time to 6 minutes. And in the meantime, I am going to put on our thermal gloves before I even touch that, because every time I get burned and I don't like to be burned at all. So we're gonna put our gloves on. And it's almost time. It is almost time. Y'all have any questions, comments, concerns, please feel free to inbox us, email us, or even call our store. We are like open books. If y'all have been into our store, you would know that our crew here, we just love all of our customers. So just come on in, call us, ask us questions. We're like open books. But it's already ready. We're gonna put our tumbler inside. Dun, dun, dun. I'll be back. Okay, guys, let's get this out the oven. Put our gloves on. Let's go. Let's see what we got here. Okay, it's hot. It's hot. How it's hot? It's hot. It's hot. Okay, so I got my X-Acto knife and I'm ready to cut. Well, I'm gonna take these off first. I hope this is beautiful because, oh my God, I don't want to hear Sky's mouth again. So I hit the X-Acto knife to cut it apart. Oh my goodness, look at that, look at that. It's so beautiful. Oh my gosh. Y'all, look at this. Isn't this so pretty? Oh my gosh, let's compare. Let's do a little comparison. Which one y'all like? The white or the silver? I like both. Oh my goodness. That is awesome. These are awesome. These are so cute. So oh, and then this is the paper. Look at the release. Oh, the release is for me. Anyway, these are 2 tumblers. Thanks for tuning in. Like, share, subscribe. See y'all later, True Crew.